Hello, I'm Jagan from Grow with Data. Welcome to the Crack SQL Interview in 50 question series. In this video series, we'll practice 50 SQL questions across various topics. You can use the playlist Crack SQL Interview in 50 questions to follow the videos related to this series. For each video in the series, you can find the related code on my GitHub. Feel free to explore the code and provide any feedback in the comment section. If you want to see the code used in this video, you can go to the YouTube channel Grow with Data and you have the videos and the playlist. We are talking about Crack SQL Interview 50 questions. And if you want a Tamil version, we have a Tamil version also. If you go to the playlist, you have all the videos related to that series. If you want to see the code, you can go to the description section where you have the link to the code. If you click on that, it takes you to the GitHub where you have the create statement and all the select statements we explained in this video. If you want to join the WhatsApp channel, there is a link here. You can use this link and you can join Growth Data WhatsApp channel. Great. Now, let's see the data and you can talk about the question in detail. We are given two tables, customer table and product table. The product table will have all the products available in this market. And the customer table will show you who is the customer and what is the product he purchased. So customer 1 purchased product 5 and 6. Customer 2 purchased only product 6. Customer 3 purchased product 5 and 6. So we are asked to find whether the customer has bought all the products available. In this scenario, 5 and 6 are the two products and only customer 1 and 3 purchased both the products. Customer 2 got two purchases but both are for product 6. So customer 2 haven't bought product 5. So the expected output is we have to show the customer ID 1 and 3 because those are the customers who bought both the products. Okay, we created the table and the expected output is going to be customers 1 and 3. So how to do that? Let's comment out this code. Let's start with the basic approach. So what they're asking, we want to find the customers and how many distinct products they purchased, and then whether that distinct product count matches with the overall product count. So that is what is expected. So how to approach that in a SQL? Let's start with a very basic approach and never try this approach in interview because this is so basic. So the interviewer will expect something better. But you understand how this SQL works. We say select from customer table. What you have to find? We have to find customer ID and count of product key. Product key as total purchase. Total purchase. So I'm saying customer ID, count of product. And since I use count as aggregation, I say group by customer ID, which is first column. So if you see this, it says customer ID 1, 2, and 3. All three got two products. But when you see the data, customer 2 got only product 6. So why we get 2 here? Because we are simply saying count of product key. That means it will simply count how many purchases happen. It's not getting the product key and finding the distinct product keys. So if I say count of distinct product keys, then for every customer, it will get all the product keys and then find the distinct out of it and gives the count. Now, if you run this, you can see customer 1 and 3 got two products and customer 2 got only one product. Okay, so this is one count. You can just keep this as one CT table with all purchases. So this is the first one. The second one is, how will you find the total products available in the market? We say select count of product key as total products from products table. PRODUCT product table. Since there is no non-aggregation column, no need for a group by. If I run this, I got two products, 5 and 6. Since I have a CT table, I haven't used it anywhere. So there is no impact. So even if I delete this, it's not going to create any impact. You get the same result. This one, just for namesake, we have the table here. Okay. Now we can have this table as overall products. Overall product count. So this is the second CTE table. Now I'm going to combine both from all purchases as a inner join overall product count as count on the overall count, right? The total products should be equal to the total purchase. If that is the case, then bring me the customer ID. If I run this, it will give me customer ID 1 and 3. So what we did, first we find all the customers and how many distinct products they purchased. And then another CT table to count the overall products in the products table. Now we are combining that. So get all the purchases and combine that with the overall product count. If the count matches, the purchase count and the overall product count matches, then give me those customer IDs, right? So we got the required output. But this is very basic and it's using two CTE tables where the query will execute and the data will be stored in a separate buffer space, and then we are using that in a subquery. So we can improve this SQL little bit. How will I do it? Let's take the second subquery. Okay, overall SQL, let's copy this. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to delete the second CTE table. Okay, I'm getting the data set and I say select customer ID and then I say case when this count of product key equal to that subquery. I don't want the alias name from product. I don't want this alias name also. So what it says, case when the distinct of product count for each customer is equal to the overall count of the products, then 1 else 0 end as flag. Okay, from the customer table. Let's remove this. So now if I run this code, what happens is for every customer, it will check if the distinct product count they purchase is equal to the overall product count. If that is the case, then we write 1, else we write 0. Okay, so 0 means those customers haven't got all the products available. Now we use this as a CTE table. Now we say select customer ID from all purchases. The filter condition is where the flag is equal to 1. So 1 means the customers who got all the products. If I run this, I get the result 1 and 3. Great. But what is the best coding option which the interviewer is expecting? Let's try this. We say select customer from the customer table, right? We take this and you're going with a subquery. So group by 1 where this count, right? So when you do aggregation, the where condition is going to be having the count of distinct product equal to the overall product count. So same simple aggregation, and we are adding a filter condition saying that the count of the distinct product by the customers is equal to the overall product. Even that gives you the same result. So whoever got 2 products which is matching with the overall thing. We don't need the count because we need only the customer ID. We can get 1 and 3. So we start with a simple logic where we calculate the total purchase of every customer and then the total product count, and then we merge both to get who are customers who bought the overall product. The second one is the same CTE table. The second subquery, instead of having as a separate CTE table, we put that in a case statement, and then we put a flag whether it's a 0 or 1 based on the count match. The third one, instead of putting the select statement, we are just putting a filter condition group by having the products purchase equal to the overall purchase. If the question is a little bit twisty, like it's asking for the opposite thing, find the customers who haven't bought all the products. If that is the case, I want to find the customers who haven't bought all the products. That means you simply say not equal to the overall count. Then we get the customer 2. Same way for other SQL also, if the count is not matching, then you can bring out the customers who haven't got the product. Same SQL, only thing is we make sure the customer's purchase is not equal to the overall purchase. Then you get the required count. But in this question, we focus only on customers who bought all the products. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching.